In this video, I'm showing you guys how you can enter the peso sign on Microsoft Word. It's simple and easy. So all you need to do is move to this side, which is insert here, tap on the insert, and then move to this side of the page, and you can see symbol here. So tap on the symbol like this, and then tap on more symbols, and you can see the peso here. So you need to scroll here, you get it. It's like this, a lot of signs, you need to scroll. So mostly the peso is around this side. You can see, so take note of that. You can use your eye to take note of that. And then you can see this is your peso. So you tap on the peso here, you tap on insert and you close and your peso should appear. Now let me try it once again for you guys to grasp it. You move to this side, which is insert. You move to this side of your page, which is symbol. Tap on the symbol here, tap on more symbols, and then you slide to this side. Use your eye to, check it. Slide to this side. This is your peso here. This is your insert and you close it and your peso should appear here in your Word. So that's it on how you can enter the peso sign if you're on Microsoft Word. If you are new here, give me a like and subscribe to my channel. Peace.